Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mr. S Vlogs. Today I have the Xbox One S console, white colored one with the white colored controller from Flipkart. I purchased it for around 17,500 rupees during the offer days along with the 1500 instant discount from HDFC Bank credit cards and debit cards. So let's get started guys. So as soon as we open the Flipkart packaging, we have the Xbox One S box. Let me take this out quickly. That's the invoice copy. Let me keep this box aside real quick. It came with a nice bubble wrap, many rounds of it. Here is the box, Xbox Game Pass. Okay, it's sealed off. There's the description, warning. Reddington, I think it's the supporter. Okay, it says it's manufactured on behalf of Microsoft US. Xbox Game Pass is a kind of a subscription. It's for either 3 months or 12 months. You'll get free games when you have subscribed for the Xbox Game Pass. You can play those games as long as you have the subscription, provided that those games are still included in Xbox Game Pass. The games keep on cycling. Some new games would be added and some old games would be taken out of the Xbox Game Pass subscription. So that's how it works. If you ask me, it's kind of cool. Let me take this plaster off real quick. And here it goes. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, it doesn't want to come. Let me just open the flap and take the console out. Let me actually check what this is here. The one that I ordered comes with 3 months Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold subscription free of cost as a trial period. Let me take this out and show you what we get. There are actually codes for the subscriptions. This is the code for Xbox Game Pass subscription. You scratch it, you get a code, and this is for Xbox Live Gold. Using Xbox Live Gold, you can play online multiplayer games. That's mandatory to have if you want to play games like PUBG, Fortnite or any online multiplayer games. You need to have Xbox Live Gold subscription. Now let's take out the console. Let's open it up. Came with a very good packaging, I should say. Let me take this out and this one as well. And here it comes. So as I told you, this is the Xbox One S white colored one. Ooh, looks good. That's the CD drive, I guess. Yes, that is where we put the disc to install the games and play them if you are using it in offline mode. Yes, you can use the Xbox One S without internet, but for the first time setup you definitely need internet to update the Xbox. But after that, it's pretty much simple. You get the disc, you install it, you play the game, provided that you have the disc at all times while playing the game in the Xbox One S console. it actually acts as a physical key. So yes, you definitely need the disc if you want to play it offline. Okay, looks good to me. So we have all the ports here, the power port, the HDMI in, HDMI out. Pretty much self-explanatory. Those are the USB ports, the infrared output, pretty much everything. Nice finish. There is the Xbox button to power on the device, and let me take out everything that's in the box first. I'll show you what else we get. I think this has the controller and the power adapter. Yes, this is the power cable. You don't need any extra adapter for this. The older versions needed a power brick, kind of a laptop charger, but this one doesn't need that. And let me show you the controller. This is the HDMI cable, pretty solid one, nice quality. This is enough for both audio and video, and you can even use HDR 4K with this Xbox One S console if you have a supported TV. And this here is the controller, the Xbox controller, and the one that I got is a white one, but there is a black version, but that would cost you around 3 to 4,000 more, but that doesn't make any sense to me, so I bought this one. It's just that the controller's color changes, nothing else. The functionality doesn't change, everything remains the same. This is the button for pairing your Xbox controller if it doesn't pair up automatically. And these are the 3.5mm headphone jack and Xbox proprietary jack below there. Buttons look nice glossy finish on the triggers. We also get batteries, the AA batteries included. So that's it for now, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe for my channel.